So this video is about Facebook ads course. And now guys, we will start this video, and in this we will learn how you can connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp. Okay, shall we begin? So the most important thing to remember in this is that you should use your WhatsApp business account. And the number you are using for your WhatsApp business account, you have to connect that number to your Facebook page. Now you will get its benefit organically through this because the traffic comes organically on your Facebook page. And if anyone wants to chat with you or connect with you, then they can easily do so through your WhatsApp account. On the other hand, if you are running paid ads and need leads through WhatsApp, and if you are running paid ads and want people to connect with you through WhatsApp, it will also benefit you. Therefore, this is an important setting that you should know, and after doing this setting, you will get benefit both organically and through paid. Hence guys, let's look at the computer screen and learn step by step what I am teaching. If you follow it, you will also be able to connect to it. Let's begin. So as you can see, I am currently on the computer screen, and please look here. I will click on top right near the profile picture, and through this I will go to my agency page. So now we are on our business page. And as soon as I came to business page, here on the business page, as you can see over here, there is an option given at the top. I hope it's clear. I will click on MF business page at top left. And here on the left side, you will see settings option. Click on it. After clicking on settings, here you will see in permission there is an option called linked accounts. And I will click on this linked accounts. And there are two options given, Instagram and WhatsApp. So as you can see on the screen guys, we have already connected the Instagram account to the Facebook page as we showed you earlier. It is showing already connected here. Since we have not yet learned how to connect to WhatsApp in this course, it's showing not connected here. Now if we want to connect, we will click on view. As we clicked on view, you can see a number here. Why it's coming? Number is appearing automatically because I created this Facebook account using this number. If you want to change the number, you can. Otherwise, in most cases, what happens is, mostly people use that same number here as well, and if you wish to change that number, then you can go here. We have entered the number, and after entering number, send WhatsApp code has appeared. Now guys, look here, a WhatsApp code will be sent to that WhatsApp number, and we will need to enter that code here. Then we will check if we have received any code on WhatsApp. And then we went to WhatsApp business, and a code has been sent here. Now I will have to enter this code here, and the code given here is 07716. As I enter this code, I will confirm it here. Once I will confirm it, then you can see here, this is taking time to process. Once this process is complete, our Facebook page will be connected to the WhatsApp business account. It will be connected to WhatsApp business. Not the normal WhatsApp, because you have to use this for business, for payments and so on. You also have to use Instagram, and that's why you will use WhatsApp business. Add a WhatsApp button. Now I have to add the WhatsApp button, so I will click on add. We could have skipped this step as there was an option for it, but I added it. Here is the post WhatsApp button. Next, there is an option to post here, but I will skip it for now. So you can see here on this side, my WhatsApp option has appeared. Now it is asking me to create ads, but we will do that later when we go to Facebook ads. We will teach you everything. I will cancel this for now. So here, as you can see on the screen, now we are going back on Facebook page. The page is here on this page. Now guys, I will move my cursor and I will click again on the agencies page that is at the top of our Facebook page. So we will see here, and here we can see that the settings are back, and we will check if it's connected or not. So we will click on linked accounts again. When I will click on linked accounts, you see here earlier it was showing not connected, but now it's connected to one WhatsApp number. If I view this, here as we can see, WhatsApp account settings is given. The action button is active here, and also it's given connect another number. You can see the number that I connected. It is now connected. If I want to remove this number, I can remove it from here. I am going to tell you important thing. You should keep this in mind that you can connect up to 50 WhatsApp numbers to your Facebook page. I hope this is clear. So if you want to connect 2 or 3 numbers more, you can do that. How can you use them? So guys, moreover, you can use those numbers in your Facebook ads, in your posts, and in any places where they are relevant. And if you have multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can use different numbers for different ads. You can use it inside your post also. So we have also learned how to remove a number. If you want to connect a new number without removing old one, then you can click on connect another number and connect it. Okay? Hence, I hope now you know how to connect your WhatsApp business to your Facebook page, how to remove it, and how to add another number. You can now do it. Thank you.